I had a thought the other day. What would happen if you took your everyday expenses and invested them instead? I ran the numbers so you don't have to. This is a fun one. No lectures, I promise. Just sit back, relax and enjoy. Hello fellow Arbab, it's time to boss your money. I'm Kenneth and I've been working in finance and audit for almost 2 decades now, and this video will make you see your daily spending through a whole new set of glasses. Okay, let's run through some pretty typical expenses for most of us living in Dubai. And we'll do this from cheapest to most expensive. Netflix costs about 35 dirhams a month for the basic plan, or about 420 dirhams a year. And I've not even included your Prime, YouTube Premium, Spotify and the 10 other subscriptions that you have. Then we have Kareem and Noon delivery. 10 dirhams in just fees. 4 times a week, that's 2080 dirhams a year. And I'm not even counting the fact that everything is priced higher on these apps than it is in the actual store. Anyone else notice that? Anyway, then we have 20 bucks on Starbucks matcha latte 3 times a week. That's 3,120 dirhams a year. Shopping for things you don't really need, aka impulse purchases, 500 dirhams a month or 6,000 dirhams a year. Weekend brunches and cafes, that's 400 dirhams a week or 20,800 dirhams a year. The total is 32,420 dirhams per year on these things alone. Now I hear you screaming in the comments, but Kenneth, I don't have Netflix, or I don't do brunches. I hear you. What if I told you, let's half this amount and see what happens? That's 16,000 a year. That's our number. So now let's see what happens if instead of spending that amount, you invested it. I'm going to assume an annual rate of return of 10%. Conservative if you split between the S&P 500 historically averaging around 8% and an Indian FlexiCap mutual fund with around 12%. And let's say the retirement age is 60. If you're 20 years old, that 16,000 dirhams a year becomes 7 million dirhams. If you're 30, it becomes 2.6 million dirhams. And if you're 40, it becomes 1 million dirhams. This very nicely highlights 2 very valuable money lessons. You may be okay with spending 16,000 on Netflix, but are you okay with spending a cool 7 mil? This is called opportunity cost. The second is starting at 20 gives you 6 million dirhams more than starting at 40. AKA time in the market beats timing the market. AKA start immediately if you haven't started already. And I'm not here to tell you stop living your life. You work hard, you earn to spend. Don't be conjuice. But where you spend and how often, that genuinely matters more than most people realize. I want this video to pop into your head the next time you're at a family wedding wondering, how is Ram uncle so rich? Why can't that be me? Keep the Starbucks and cut the Netflix if that's what makes you happy. Walk to your local grocery store instead of ordering in. Do a monthly brunch instead of weekly. Shop for things that you actually need and don't shop in a hurry. The point is, do what makes you happy. Just do it with your eyes open. Now watch one of these videos next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are very close to the 10k sub mark and your support means the world to me. Yalla Arbab, now go boss your money.